Here I have taken 2.5 meters of cotton fabric. And firstly, I will cut the front part for the pant, and for that just fold the fabric widthwise like this. Its width is approx 14.5 inch. It depends on your upper thigh round. While marking the measurement, I will tell you how to calculate it. First I will mark length of the pant. In my measurement, ready length is 35 inch. Now place the measuring tab on the top like this, leaving 1.5 inch on the top. Here I am adding 1.5 inch width of elastic belt. Now mark 35 inch and extend this point. Again mark 1.5 inch for the bottom folding and extend it. Now I'll mark the waist measurement. Here I am taking hip round measurement instead of waist round because I am making elastic belt pant. If you want to make without elastic or a side zipper pant, then you have to take your waist round measurement instead of hip round. Okay. Now in my measurement, hip round is 39 inch and I am adding 3 inch of loosing, so I'll get a 42 inch. Divided by 4, I'll get a 10.5 inch. So mark at a 10.5 inch. And here I am adding 1 inch of a seam allowance. So mark at a 11.5 inch. Now draw a line downwards. On this line, I will mark the crotch length. For calculating the crotch length, take your hip round measurement and add a 2 inch to it. Then divide it by 4 and again add a 2 inch to it. Like in my measurement, hip round is 39 inch and I will add a 2 inch to it. Then I will get a 41 inch and divide it by 4, I will get a 10.25 inch and then again add a 2 inch to it. Then I will get a 12.25 inch. Now here I am taking the round figure 12.5 inch. Now place the measuring tab on this line by leaving 1.5 inch for the elastic belt and mark 12.5 inch. Okay, then mark the same 12.5 inch on the other side also and draw a straight line by joining these 2 points. On this line, I'll mark the thigh round measurement. In my measurement, thigh round is 22 inch. I will add a 3 inch for loosing, so I'll get a 25 inch. And divide it by 2, I'll get a 12.5 inch and I'm adding 1 inch for the seam allowance. Okay, now on this line mark 13.5 inch and draw a curved shape like this. Now I'll mark the center of this line. This is 13.5 inch, so midpoint would be 6.75 inch. So mark at a 6.75 inch. Now mark the same 6.75 inch on the bottom as well. On this line, I will mark the bottom round. In my measurement, total bottom round is 14 inch. Half of it would be 7 inch. Now taking this point as a center, I will mark 3.5 inch on both sides. Now join all these points. If you want to make tight fit pant, then you can use a curved ruler or a leg shaper instead of the scale. That will give a good shape to your pant. Here I am making narrow palazzo or a little bit loose pant. Now I will cut it out. Now I'll cut the back part, and for that take the remaining fabric and just fold it. Now place the front part on the back. Back is almost similar to front. We just need to make a few changes. First of all, back crotch is raised by 1.75 inch. Sometimes it would be 2 inch, 2.75 inch or 3 inch. That's depending upon your hip size. For my measurement, I am raising it by 1.75 inch because here I am making medium size. Now I will extend the crotch width. Now from this point mark 2.5 inch and draw a line like this. Now draw a straight line upwards from the front crotch like this and draw a curved shape like this. Now draw a slanting line by joining back crotch and front waist like this. Now I will extend bottom round by 1.5 inch. And here I will extend 2 inch. This is your knee round position. Now join all these points. So with this marking is completed. So we just need to make 3 changes for the back. First raise back crotch, extend crotch width and extend bottom round. Okay. Now remove the front part and cut it out. So here I have cut out the back part. So with this cutting is completed. Now I will start stitching. Firstly I will stitch front and back crotches. So here I made the stitch on both the front and back crotches. Now place the back and front parts by facing right side together like this. Now make a stitch on this side. And I will not attach this side right now. I will join it after attaching the belt. Here I made the stitch on one side. Now I will cut the belt, and for that just open it and measure the waistline of the pant like this. It's 47 inch, so I have to cut the belt of length 47 inch. So here I have cut out the belt. Its length is 47 inch. It's on fold and width is 4 inch. Belt width depends on the width of the elastic. Here I am using 1.5 inch width of elastic. So double the elastic width, that is 3 inch, and add a 1 inch seam allowance. That's why I have taken 4 inch width of belt. Now I will attach the belt to the waistline of the pant. Now make a stitch all around the waistline. So here I made the stitch. One side of the belt is attached. Now just trim the extra fabric. Now join the other side of the pant. Okay, make a stitch here. So here I made the stitch on side seam. Now I will fold the belt. Firstly, I will fold for half inch inwards like this, and again fold it. It's 1.5 inch because here I am using 1.5 inch width of elastic. Now make a stitch all around the waistline by leaving 1.5 inch of space for inserting the elastic. So here I made the stitch. I will insert the elastic through the space. I have taken elastic length 28 inch. Always take elastic length 3 inch less than the waistband measurement. In my measurement, waist round is 30 inch. So I'll deduct 3 inch from it. So I'll get 27 inch and 1 inch for the seam allowance for joining the elastic. Now I will insert the elastic with the help of a safety pin. Now remove the safety pin and join it. Make a strong stitch here. The elastic is attached. Now make a stitch for closing the space. Now make a stitch over the elastic. Stretch the elastic to evenly distribute the gathers and make a stitch all around the waistline. So here elastic is attached. Now I'll finish the bottom. For finishing the bottom, just double fold the fabric like this and make a stitch. So here I made the stitch on bottom. Now make a stitch on inner legs. Here I made the stitch, and with this stitching is completed. Now I'll show you how to look like this. So the pant is ready now. Hope you all enjoy the video. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another video. Till then, bye.